What Claude AI can do that ChatGPT cannot? Now, this question is very nuanced. Most of the things that one AI can do can also be done by using other AI, for example, Claude and ChatGPT. But for the specific case of ChatGPT and Claude, most people tend to prefer Claude these days because of the nuanced answer that Claude AI gives, but the ChatGPT sounds over robotic and performative, while Claude sounds more poetic and it gives very good answer while you ask for reasoning and explain something. It does better, and most people feel that Claude does it in a more human way and it has been coded that way. So because of that reason, Claude AI is more preferred in that field than ChatGPT. So this is, you can consider what Claude AI can do that ChatGPT cannot. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.